The concept that a mask can prevent the spread of COVID-19 is debatable. In fact, there are some disadvantages of using face masks. Surgical masks nowadays are being manufactured locally using low-quality material and have made their sale and purchase for a source of income rather than a means of safety. Wearing a face mask is important for the safety of yours and others, but take care of these important things while using face mask. Experts believe that wearing a mask during exercise is harmful for your lungs. People who walk fast or run also prohibited from wearing masks. It can also seem that the individuals with asthma or chronic respiratory diseases are suffering breathing difficulties as a result of use of mask. Similarly, for children, various studies have shown that young children should not wear mask as it can make it difficult for them to breathe. Individuals who wear glasses, on the other hand, are more affected. Your body exhales warm air. When you exhale air without mask, it spreads into the atmosphere. But when you exhale the air in mask, vapors accumulate on the lenses of the glasses, which make them foggy. One hack to avoid this is to keep the top of your mask tight and bottom loose to keep air away from the eyes. The quality and the volume of the speech between two people wearing masks is considerably reduced, and they are unconsciously come close to each other and forgetting the rule of social distancing. People who are suffering with eczema notice that their signs of skin irritation has increased by using these face masks. They are feeling really itchy, red, dry and scaly skins. So if you have a dry skin, it's best to put moisturizer before wearing a mask, so it can help to prevent the skin irritation. In addition, there is no cure for the germs that comes out of the mouth in these face masks. So walking around with a dirty mask is not in your favor because they are made to stop infection and not to spread the infections. So the masks should be routinely washed depending upon the frequency of use. Another common problem arises while wearing face masks is during seasonal flu. Patients need to put their face mask down again and again in order to clear their nasal area that create a kind of irritation and can spread the infection by hands. So here is a suggestion that better to wash your hands with a good hand sanitizer if you are suffering with seasonal flu. As the use of face masks becoming mandatory, in results it creating issues such as increased in criminal activities such as the shoplifting, theft of goods and armed robberies. So finally, I would say that if masks are not used properly, they can cause unwanted side effects. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.